Hello, everybody. I'm Justin Sang. Today is about the kickoff
Hello,
meeting.
everybody. I'm Justin Sun.
Kickoff meeting about the DeFi hackathon on Tron uh, this year. So basically, I think today I won't be like invite like any guests to our talk. So it's gonna only be just myself. So I gonna go through with everybody with the Tron hackathon, DeFi hackathon is coming, and also basically share my opinions about the future of Tron on DeFi on Tron. So basically today's platform we have Clubhouse newly joined, which is recently the one of the most popular apps right now in the world, and also, of course, our live streaming is also available on DLive. So welcome, like everybody on DLive, and also Periscope, and also on YouTube. So YouTube, we have two channels. One is myself channel, Justin Song, and also on Tron Foundation. So basically, as we all know, Tron 2020 Global DeFi Developer Hackathon kick off in February 3rd, which we have like a total amount of the $10 million bounty. This contest gonna encourage all the developers and the develop teams try to participate on the DeFi wave on Tron. And also, I believe this event is gonna be like become like will be held like every year. So we will have like an annual gathering for this kind of the developers hackathon in the future. So registration start in February 5th, so 3 days ago, and we're gonna continue until February 28th. As we all know, these days DeFi has been extremely popular among our industry, and everybody wants to get their DeFi project built on like some blockchain, right? So, and what's the like options here? Most of the people are gonna come to Ethereum, try to develop DeFi on Ethereum. But the problem these days is Ethereum DeFi solutions transaction is almost around $100 to $500 per transaction, which make it is impossible for you to build DeFi product and the DeFi protocol on Ethereum in the first place. So we are collaborating with lots of the developers on Ethereum and other blockchain, try to deliver the same solution on Tron. So first of all, I think I will go through with you about the whole process, and I will share with you the support we will give to our developers. And at the end, I will do a little bit analysis on how to encourage our developer to build on Tron and what's the benefits for develop on top of Tron blockchain. So as we all know, the registration go from February 5th to February 28th. And then we will have different kinds of the team to review the application. And even if you miss the deadline in the February 28th, we will directly archive all the information and help you automatically enroll in the next one in 2020. So second stage is the screen stage, which is run from March 1st to March 7th. And all we will have like all the KOLs in the crypto world and with all different kind of the exchanges support Tron ecosystem. They will help us, and also there's lots of the very prestigious like leaders in our industry will help us to screen all the application. And the third stage from March 1st to May 1st, almost 2 months. So in this period, the committee, so basically the this hackathon committee will hold weekly conference calls with development teams where all the participants have the opportunity to update on their progress. So basically, our requirement will be open source product and open source protocol available for everyone and the developer community. And we will also the final review will start on May 2nd and the end on May 8th. So and also we have take a look at the price and all the associated criteria. So first of all, the context, we will offer a price pool in around 10 million US dollars, around basically the Tron grand price 500K US dollars, and we will give first prize 200K each, $1 million US total, and also we will have 10 second prize, which is 100K per project. It's like $1 million in total. And also on top of this, all the qualified projects receive a score by over 80 will be eligible for just-in bonus for 50K US dollars. So this is also, I think our support program is not limited to this. We will also, if you are like a DeFi project and you are need lots of the TVL and needs all the money participate in protocol, we will also try to make our bonus to support their DeFi protocol to increase the TVL on their platform. So, and also at the same time, we will have a lot of the ecosystem support, I believe, which is also extremely important for our participant here. So let's take a look at the review cycle first. So basically, the review cycle will be handled by our DeFi experts, KOL, and the community KOL, and also public community review board. So basically, everyone, all the TRX and some holders in our community. So basically, the DeFi judge we invited, basically they are all the prestigious leaders in the crypto community, will occupy 40% of the score. And the community KOL will occupy for like 20% of the score. And the public, basically everybody's vote will basically have like 40% of the final score. And also the expert, DeFi expert and the community KOL, the record will be public for public review. So it won't be like a black box review. So this is also advocate our transparency on this kind of the competition. And I already see a lot of the people leave message on like how to participate in this contest and how to get into contest. I will address this detail later. So and also of course we all know like not our price is not only just limited to just-in bonus or like the price for the project. But also, I think we have tons of the benefits for winning projects apart from all the bonus we are saying here. So first of all, I think the first benefits. So for all the projects have tokens in their platform, we will get them on the fast track of listing on Poloniex, and not only limit you to Poloniex, but also to other exchanges support the Tron ecosystem. So we have like a two tiers of the support here. So we have like a lot of the exchange collaborate with Poloniex. So once Poloniex lists the project, other exchange will list them as well. And also, of course, for most prestigious exchange in the world, we will also have this kind of the fast track channel. We will recommend them to those projects. And also, of course, the project will be available on the Tron Power DEX, like JustSwap and the Polonia DEX, which supports the project's liquidity. And then number three, we will include the token support in the DApp list on, for example, like TronLink, TronScan, and all the Tron supporting wallets. And with also we have lots of the marketing resources on TronLink, TronScan, and all Tron related support wallet. So Tron has like one of the biggest support wallet ecosystem in our industry. So we will put these kind of the resources supports all those tokens. And also at the same time, the project will have the opportunity to gain the traffic from the 2 billion users of BitTorrent and the uTorrent clients. As we all know, Tron and BitTorrent and the uTorrent all share the traffic together. uTorrent and BitTorrent these days have over 2 billion users around the globe. And also at the same time, we have like active users around like 30 million users, and monthly active users around like 80 to 100 million users. So we will also bring all these kind of the traffic to the project built on top of Tron. And also at the same time, we will promote the project on all the Tron related to related social media, like Justin Sun's Twitter, so my Twitter, and also all the official accounts from like Tron Foundation, BitTorrent Foundation, and our other support association like Poloniex, Jazz Foundation, and the Sun Foundation. And also, of course, the project will also be promoted on Steamy, which is also like and DLive, which is the social media platform on Tron platform. I already see a lot of people get excited about the projects built on Tron, so this is very exciting. So basically, to sign up, you have 3 ways. First, you can join our Discord channels, which the link is already shared in my Twitter group. And also, you can also fill out the application form in the Discord channel. And also, you can just email your information to DeFi, DEFI /supply, so SUPPLY at Tron.network. So basically DeFi /supply at Tron.network. So you can what are the hard deadlines? So some people ask. So basically for registration, the deadline is at the end of this month. So so February 28th. So so basically I already know lots of the lots of the project already are built on top of Tron. So everybody built on top of Tron is eligible for this application. So you don't have to like start like a new project to register on this program in the first place. So, but don't forget to register your project in February 28th. So it's also worth mentioning that Justin bonus here for 50K US dollars. It's unlimited. It's unlimited. So basically the number of the project winning this is unlimited. So as long as we believe after the review cycle, the overall score is over 80s, it will be eligible for this bonus prize. So basically everybody participate in this hackathon has a possibility to get the reward. And also not even mentioning, as I just said, like we have over like 6 to 7 ways to bring the traffic and bring the liquidity and bring the assets to the DeFi projects built on our platform. And also be aware this 10 million US dollars hackathon is only a part of the 120 million Tron DeFi Alliance support program. So in the future, we will also roll out more projects and also more hackathons to support the developers on Tron. So we will also have this kind of the scope. So we are waiting to support, which I will address later. And as some people may not like very familiar with what has been built on top of Tron these days, I will also talk a little bit about, besides all the bonuses and money we can support everybody here, and the traffic, liquidity, assets we can bring to support everyone. I think one of the biggest advantage Tron have compared to other layer 2 solution is the stablecoin ecosystem and the infrastructure support. So basically, first of all, Tron has a very powerful stablecoin support. We have over 10 billion US dollars on our DeFi ecosystem, and around $1 billion BTC, ETH, LTC, and other crypto tokens on our platform. And not even mentioning like TRX, BTT, JST, Sun, and other platform tokens. So I believe this provide a very robust ecosystem for the developers if they want to build a DeFi ecosystem. So yesterday I discussed this with my friends. So as we all know, these days the decentralized derivatives are extremely important on the DeFi ecosystem. But always remember, developer decentralized derivative system needs a very robust USDT as a settlement in the first place. So if you, besides Ethereum, if you build this kind of DeFi protocol in other layer 1 solutions, they won't have enough BTC, USDT assets to provide this kind of the support to your project in the first place. So that's why I believe the exchange support, wallet support, and we all have very robust infrastructure support, like Tron Gray, like the infra in Ethereum, and the Tron Web, like IDE support. So we have very robust infrastructure support. At the same time, the diversification of the assets on top of the Tron blockchain is also tremendous. And not to even mention, we also collaborate with TUSD early this year, and ongoing, we are collaborating with other regulated stablecoin to develop regulated stablecoin solution on our blockchain. And also, the same time, we have a big project like the hackathon today coming up to support all the developers on Tron. So we will provide the best developer support ecosystem on the Tron network. I believe this is a huge opportunity here since we all know like Tesla buying like 1.5 billion like BTC today. I believe like DeFi and the crypto gonna go mainstream this year. It's definitely a good time for you to get into the entrepreneurship and also the same time to build a DeFi project on top of Tron. And we are also willing to put numerous amount of the resources to support everyone on the Tron blockchain. And also not even mention, we will also provide very robust TVL support to not only for the traffic, but also for the program itself. After we audit the smart contract, we will also put numerous amount of the money to help everybody to increase their TVL and user base in the first place. So that will be all for today. So if you also for some people get into this room and haven't like listened to the first part of my speech. So basically the registration start from February 5th and to the February 28th. And if you want to know all the detail I think here today, gonna be available on my Twitter. So be aware to follow me on Twitter, both myself and Tron Foundation Twitter handle. So we will post all the details here. And we also built the Discord channel for all the developers. And we will have all the CX support on the Discord channel. And you can also fill out the application form on which link is also available on my Twitter handle. And also at the same time, we have these kind of the DeFi slash supply at the Tron network. So which also you can submit your project from the email channel as well. But I better prefer Discord channel, because Discord channel you can easy to talk with the CX support team, and also the same time it's very easy to track the whole process from the Discord channel. So that's gonna be all for today, and I will take like 1 or 2 questions from both YouTube, Periscope, and the DLive channel, because everybody can leave a message here. So for everyone on Clubhouse, since I won't be available to take any like question today, because this is like a live streaming only, so I won't be available to take like any question here. So let me first get a question from YouTube. So YouTube, some people ask a question about like how what's the difference between Tron and other platform, and also one question is about what kind of the projects is gonna be like be the #1 or winning the prize on the hackathon. For the first question here is, I believe in the whole industry here, about all the layer 1 solution, basically provide this kind of the blockchain infrastructure support. I believe Tron is the only one can compete with Ethereum. we have the same amount of the level amount of the stable coin and the asset support on our platform compared to Ethereum. And at the same time, not even need to mention, Tron transaction is extremely cheaper, cheap, safe, and also instant speed. So if you ever be the developer build on the Tron network, you will know this is very important, especially considering right now Ethereum price is very high. The network is extremely slow, and most of the DeFi protocol built on Ethereum can't even process all the transactions in the first place. But if you come to Tron, we have limited this kind of the cap on the transaction. The transaction fee is very low. You have instant speed, and also at the same time, the protocol itself is very safe. ECB has been running for almost 3 years without like any kind of the incidents happen on Tron blockchain, basically. And also, I believe, as I said, like today for Hackathon, we have numerous amount of the resources. Overall, gonna be like $10 million. And also at the same time, we will support our developers not only on the money, but on the traffic, distribution channel, and the TVL support, traffic support. And also we will have lots of the marketing support and promote your projects to lots of the Tron users, our ecosystem. So to bring traffic to the project, which I think is also extremely important. And also at the same time, we have lots of the stable coin and different variety of the assets happen on our platform. So, and somebody is asking Discord addresses. So this gonna be available on my Twitter handle. So just follow me on Justin Sun Tron. You can see all the information. And also at the same time, I want to talk a little bit about. So somebody also asked on the channel, which one gonna win the hackathon prize? So for this question, first of all, I don't know, because this gonna decided by our DeFi experts, community KOLs, and community votes. So which occupies 40%, 20%, 40% relatively. But for myself, I think some project gonna be very interesting. First of all is the crypto derivatives. I think this is definitely one of the most important projects happen in our industry. And also, if you find like some projects is already achieved the success on Ethereum, I think which prove this kind of the product market fits is also very important. For example, Synthetics on the Tron blockchain, Curve on the Tron blockchain, and also other like very successful like Batch, this kind of the project, I think is also very important. If you want to build the same successful project on top of Tron, I think you will get lots of the attractions by other people's. And also, I believe the NFT on Tron is also very promising. As we all know, NFT on Ethereum has lots of the voice, but we haven't seen a lot of the NFT available on Tron. So that's why I believe NFT is also something gonna be exciting on the Tron blockchain. And same time, I believe if you can build some tokenized stock trading, is also I believe has a very good solution here. For example, recently, as we all know, like Tesla, GME, like all different AMC, all different kind of stock has lots of the impact in the traditional finance world. So I think if you want to tokenize all the stock and the trading on the Tron blockchain is a very cool idea. And also, I believe if you build something on the Bitcoin on Tron, is also very promising here. As we all know, Bitcoin price increased a lot this year. But the Bitcoin, as we all know, the Bitcoin blockchain is POW, so it's not like smart contract enabled. So if you can build something on the BTC on Tron, which means you can basically use Bitcoin with a very high scalability smart contract solution, I think it's also very interesting. So so the Bitcoin holders can enjoy the smart contract with instant speeds and the extremely zero fee. I think you can create a lot of the power for since on the Tron network by supporting BTC on Tron. I think this is the similar situation with WBTC on Ethereum. So I believe this is also gonna be very promising. So somebody asking like when LTC on Just Land. So yeah, that's something I think we are working on. So we definitely hope to deliver this very soon. Let me see like some question on the wow, somebody said like the Discord program link get expired. So I will definitely check with our team to make sure the code is valid. And also somebody asking about some question about Burn Tron, Burn TRX. So basically, I think somebody may already be aware some super representative called Crypto Chain has submitted to increase the TRX fee for bandwidth and energy to around like 140 some. I think once these pass, the Tron will get into a decreased supply time. So basically in the future, because right now Tron is a very extremely busy network here. So that's why I believe after we pass this, but this is definitely not like depends on me, it depends on the discussion of the super representatives. But once the super representatives approve this kind of the prove this kind of the proposal, I believe Tron will get to an era which the supply is start to decrease instead of the small inflation here. It's gonna become like small deflation. So so that's like the something I want to share here. And also somebody asking when can we see TRC, BTC, and ETH on Binance? Not only Binance, but other very important cryptocurrency exchange. We are definitely working on them to support these ASAP, because I know this is very important to lots of the users here, because as we all know, the gas fee is extremely high. People lose money every day by using tokens on Ethereum. So we already save a numerous amount of money for people who use USDT. So I hope we can do the same for people using Ethereum and the Bitcoin. So which is the two main assets on our platform. So that will be all for today. So don't forget to sign up for your projects. We are definitely wants to support everyone here to build a DeFi project on Tron, and hopefully you can build something even I can't imagine, and it's gonna be a very cool project on the Tron platform. So thanks everybody. See you next time. Bye bye.